Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Shiba Inu and the meme coins. Are we ready to see meme coin mania round 2? Are we ready to see a meme coin cycle bigger than the last one? I'm going to let you know what I'm seeing in the charts and my opinion on that. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first here, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me, 333 Black Sea. I say the timeline is bullish. Everyone on crypto Twitter is starting to flip a little bit bullish. Could this really be it? The probability is in our favor. Yes, it is, guys. Everyone on the timeline is slowly starting to flip bullish. And I'm going to be honest with you, I think it's because all the bears are gone. All the bulls that turned bears, everybody left. Everybody left. So the only people that are left are the people that are still holding, which are the bulls. And I do think that it's very rare when everyone assumes something's going to happen and it does play out. But every once in a while, when there's only the bulls left, it's time for the snowball to start rolling down the hill. And everyone will be right for a moment in time. I really emphasis on that, for a moment in time. Not for the entire time, but for a moment in time. I think everybody will be right. And I think the probability is in our favor for the bulls to see this meme coin season pop off, see Bitcoin make new all-time highs, and really have a strong quarter 4. So with that being said, let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. Shiba Inu is sitting at a nice $8.5 billion market cap, down about 0.5% on the day, but really we're performing very well. The entire market's getting a little bit of liquidity injected into it after the FOMC meeting, the Federal Reserve cutting the interest rates by 0.5 percentile, and we do expect another cut by the end of the year, which is very, very favorable for risk-on assets, that being cryptocurrency and especially meme coins, guys. The riskier the asset, the better it's going to perform when the environment becomes favorable for risk-on assets. When the interest rates are getting cut and people want to take their money out of those money market accounts and put it into the market, the money moves out of the sidelines. Where does it move? It moves into risk-on assets, guys, and we're seeing that play out just as we speak right now. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu right now is bouncing off a very, very important level right here, this yellow line, which is basically 401342. And you know, guys, I drew this a while ago, and it's very fascinating how some of these lines just get respected. And we broke down from this trend line, and we came down to this and bounced right off of it. When you look at the monthly, you can see it shows a little bit of a better picture. I mean, just holding up very, very well. I mean, you can't really, Shiba Inu is more than just a meme coin. I want to say that. It has some utility. It has an ecosystem, but it hasn't really been around that long. It's no Doge, but I do think that it has proven the test of time, and I do think that it probably will perform very well this cycle. I think that all the coins, especially like major top 10 meme coins, top 10, top 100 cryptocurrencies, guys, I think it's a tale as old as time. When the money starts flowing into crypto, Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats, and I expect the top 100 to perform very well, and that including meme coins, Shiba Inu. You know, I do expect it. You can kind of see a little bit better on the weekly. I expect a little bit of a bounce here. You know, guys, we've been trading sideways. Bitcoin's been trading sideways for months, literally 8 months of sideways price action. It's time that we start to see a little bit of a bounce here. And in my opinion, I think that this could be the leg that brings us to new all-time highs. And we'll take a look at Bitcoin later on in this video. I just want you to know that I'm a bull when it comes to the top 10 meme coins. I'm a bull when it comes to the top 100 cryptocurrencies. And I am a bull when it comes to the cryptocurrency asset class as a whole, especially moving into quarter 4, which, guess what, guys? We're only about a week or so away before quarter 4 starts off, and I do think that we're kind of seeing a little bit of a front running of that happening into the end of September right here, sitting at September 23rd today, and I think that we're going to see some big moves throughout quarter 4. That doesn't mean that there won't be dips, and that doesn't mean that you won't see Shiba Inu do a 50% drawdown after running 100%. You can and you probably will see those type of moves, but these dips will be for buying, guys, in my opinion. So if you guys do want to trade some meme coins, you think that Shiba Inu is going to go 100% or 10x from here, then please check out some fantastic referral links down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. All you got to do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit, you get a bunch of free money, and you also get to leverage trade some of these meme coins and honestly, some really brand new meme coins too. That's why I really like Blowfin. They are constantly adding more and more meme coins that you can leverage trade with. And yes, leverage trading meme coins is very risky, but if you want to have some fun, I'll say it as have some fun, then check out those links and get some free money. But let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, because as we start to see this shift in the market, I talked about the quad witching hour on the 20th of September, a couple days ago. That's usually a pivot point for the market. And well, guys, now we're kind of getting pretty bullish. So that was kind of right on the dot. I'd like to give my little pat myself on the back for that one, because we are right on the dot. It was a pivotal point, and now we're starting to pivot. Now the question is, where does Bitcoin dominance go? Is it altcoin season yet? In my opinion, guys, I think we have a little bit of ways to go. I think that we need to see Bitcoin really steal the show, if you will, break above 74,000. But I do think that we are getting close to that. I do expect Bitcoin dominance to rally up higher, maybe reach that 60% level. But once it does, guys, when we start to actually see a breakdown of Bitcoin dominance, expect fireworks. Expect meme coins making 10x's, 100x's. Expect Shiba Inu making big, massive moves, guys. You need to be keeping your eye on Bitcoin dominance, because we are getting to that time in the cycle where things are going to happen fast. It's going to be a snap of the finger, and you better be locked in and being paying attention, because it's going to happen very quickly. When you look at the overall market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $63,300. A little bit of a pullback after a move to the upside. Ethereum, very happy with Ethereum. I may be able to make my swap of Ethereum to Solana and gain some more exposure to Solana as Ethereum is rallying against it. I like to see that. But all in all, I want you guys to take away here that Bitcoin dominance trading at 56.3%, excluding stablecoins, basically 58.3%. I do expect a little bit more of a move to the upside here for dominance. I do expect Bitcoin to steal the show, especially if we see this continuation of the upside, which in my opinion, I think probably going to be happening sooner than people expect. When you look at Bitcoin right now, the daily looks very nice, but I want to show you the weekly here shortly. The daily looks very nice. I want to see daily candle closures above 64,500. I want to see that to break out of this sideways consolidation structure. I want to break above this level, about 64,400 about. See daily candle closures above that. I'm going to say, okay, more confluence into my thesis that we're going to be going to 74,000 and breaking all-time highs, at least testing highs. I won't say we're going to break highs, but I do think that the probability is in our favor for breaking highs here when we test this next time. When you look at the weekly, that's kind of, the weekly's beautiful. The weekly is just beautiful. It is showing like, okay, now we're starting to see a little bit of a trend shift. Trend shift is not the right word. I should say pivot, a pivot in the market. We're looking at a bearish to bullish here, and we're seeing some divergence and seeing that weekly candle closure above above basically 61,400. It's bullish. It's bullish. It's very bullish, guys. Pay attention, because right now may be the time to be paying attention after this 8 months of sideways price action. Now is probably the time to be, okay, let's be having our eyes on Bitcoin. Where are we going here? Are we going to break all-time highs? If we start to come up here and test all-time highs, be prepared for a big move, but also prepare for some confusing moves before the big break, because I do expect as we get up here, there's going to be lots of FOMO, lots of people saying we're going to the moon, and then you know how that goes. Rejection off. A swift rejection off with a move right back up and wiping out those shorts, wiping out those longs. That's how it usually goes. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Do you think Shiba Inu is going to break all-time highs this cycle? Do you think that Shiba Inu is going to break above 408946? That's basically about a 10x away from where we're at right now, which is pretty incredible. I think that there's a good chance that we see that play out, especially if the Federal Reserve continues to cut these rates and Bitcoin breaks above previous all-time highs, which I am counting on. I'm expecting that to happen. Not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is, and I am always taking profit on the way up just in case that my thesis gets invalidated, because guess what, guys? Theses do get invalidated. You need to have a strategy for that. But that's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.